So class 12th, today we are going to solve the questions related to interest on drawing. That is our new topic. So we are going to solve 18A. Today we are going to solve 18A. And here in this question, we have to solve this question with both the methods. That is simple method and product method. Okay, so firstly we will solve the same question with simple method, and after that we will solve the same question with product method. Okay, so firstly start with simple method, that is 18A. Okay, so in this question it is given that Mr. Ashok Gupta is a partner in a firm. He withdrew the following amounts during the year ended 31st March 2018. April 30, they withdrew 8,000. June 30, they withdrew 6,000. September 30, they withdrew 5,000. December 31, they withdrew 12,000. And January 31st, they withdrew 10,000. So as per simple method, as we know that under this method, interest on drawing is calculated separately. Okay, on each amount of drawing from the date of drawing till the close of accounting period. Okay, so the accounting period will be closed if it is given then from 1st of April till 31st March, then it will be closed on 31st March. Okay, and in simple method, what the formula we use to apply, that interest on drawing is equal to amount of drawing into rate upon 100 into duration, the month, how much month the drawing has been made. So into month upon 12. This formula we will use for calculating the interest on drawing. So let's start. For 8,000, what we have to firstly we have to calculate the month. As we know the format, that format will be date, the amount which has been withdrawn, the period from when till the accounting period end, and interest at the rate that is given in the question, that is 9%. Okay, and then April 30 is given in the question and 8,000 amount is given. 8,000 amount is given and April 30. So from April 30, the drawing has been made. So April 30 to 31st March. April 30 is closed. Then we have to calculate from 1st of May. 1st of May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. 11 months. Okay, 11 months, so period will be 11. Okay, from 30th of April till 31st March, the period will be 11 months. Okay, now the second, June 30. The drawing has been made 6,000 and June 30, from June 30 till 31st March, the month will be 9 months. Okay, the next drawing has been made on 30th of September. So from 30th of September till 31st March, the 6th month will be there for 5,000. Okay, then the drawing has been made on 31st of December. And from 31st of December means from 31st of December, the drawing has been made from 1st of January till 31st March, there will be 3 months. Then 31st of January means 1st of February till 31st March, then will be 2 months. Okay, so this way we have to calculate the period for that the drawing has been made, and then we have to calculate the interest. How we will calculate the interest? By this formula, interest on drawing is equal to amount of drawing. The amount is given 8,000, 6,000, 5,000, 12,000, 10,000. Okay, so first 8,000 into 9 by 100. Okay, and the period is 11. So 11 by 12. As we can see in the formula, the month upon 12. Okay, so after calculating this, we got 660. This is the interest on capital. Now 6,000. 6,000 is given for 9 months. So 6,000 into 9 by 100 into 9 by 12. Okay, so for 9 months, it is the period for 9 months. So 9 months, 9 by 12. Then we will get 405. Okay, same way For 5,000 also, 5,000 is for 6 months, so 5,000 into 9 by 100 into 6 by 12. Okay, and we'll get 225. Then for 12,000 it is for 3 months, so 12,000 into 9 by 100 into 3 by 12, and we'll get 270. And then for 10,000, 2 months, 10,000 into 9 by 100 into 2 by 12, and we'll get 150. Okay, so in this way we have calculated interest on capital. Interest on drawing. Okay, this is called interest on drawing, right? At the rate of 9%, that is given in your question. Okay, same as we have to, for the same question we will do the product method as well. Okay, so from this question only we have done the simple method, and from this question only we will do the product method. Okay. So class 12, after completing the simple method of calculating interest on drawing, now we are moving for the further product method. Okay, so what is product method, as already we have discussed. And in product method, first of all, let's have a look of format of product method. So in this format, first of all we have to draw the date, amount, then the period or duration we can say, and then product. What is product? We can say, I can explain that under this method, first of all the product will be calculated. How the product will be calculated? It will be computed by multiplying
each set of drawing, right? Drawing, whatever the drawing is given, from its duration. Suppose 8,000 is the amount of drawing is given, and the duration is 11 is given. Then how the product will be calculated? By multiplying both of them. Then 80,000 into 11, and we have got 88,000. Okay, then thereafter the different products are added and interest is calculated on the total of products, so arrived at for 1 month. That, right? How? The interest on drawing, the product we have to calculate it for each set. So 8,000 is for April 30 is given, and the duration is given 11. So we will calculate the product by multiplying both of amount and duration. So 8,000 into 11, 88,000. Okay, for June 30, 6,000 amount is given and the duration is given 9. So 9 months, 6,000 into 9, that is 54,000. Okay, then 5,000 for the September is given, and the duration is given 6 months. So 6 into 5,000 will becoming 30,000. Okay, then 12,000 for the December, and the month is given 3. So for calculating product, we will multiply that 12,000 into 3, that will be 36,000. Okay, and the last January 31st, that 10,000 drawing is given, and the period is given 2. So 10,000 into 2, 20,000. Okay, so after calculating the products for each set of drawing, now we have to add all the product, and we'll get 2,28,000. Okay, 2,28,000. So now we have to put the formula that interest on drawing, the total of product we have calculated 2,28,000. We have written over here, and then the rate of interest is given 9%. So 9 by 100. Okay, 9 by 100, and then 1 by 12. Okay, 1 by 12. So we will get 1,710. Okay, how much we'll get? We'll get 1,710. That will be interest on drawing. Okay, thank you. Children, the formula for calculating, here we have done directly, but the formula is for calculating interest on drawing is total of product that we have calculated over here into rate upon 100 into 1 by 12. As I already told you that we have to calculate it for 1 month. That the advantage of this method is what? The advantage of this system is that separate calculation are not required each time. Okay, the separate calculation is not required each time. This is the main advantage of this method, of that is product method, and the formula is that interest on drawing is equal to total of product into rate upon 100 into 1 by 12. Okay, so in this way we have to calculate the product method, the interest on drawing with product method.